pan is located, you want to put it underneath the oil drain plug. This is your oil pan. This is the plug. You will open this plug and let the oil fall out of the oil pan, and then after it's all drained out, you will put that plug back in. Now we're going to open that up with our wrench. We will remove the oil drain plug by turning it counterclockwise. The old saying, lefty-loosey, indicates the leftwards turning of the nut to loosen it. And then they say right tight. So if you're turning it to the right, you want to tighten it. If you want to turn it to the left, you're loosening it. So we're going to put our closed-in wrench on it first, because that provides a better purchase on the nut itself, rather than this one, like this. This is only on 3 sides of the nut, whereas this closed-in box wrench is all around every side of the nut, because these are on pretty tight sometimes. So now I'm going to loosen the nut. What I'm going to do, normally you can just push on it, but this is on probably about 40 pounds of torque. So I'm going to hit it with the palm of my hand like this. Like that. So it only took 7 strikes to loosen the nut.